Hello, my name is Professor Foxylady, and today I am going to be getting into my standard Fox Lady drag. Come with me as I go from this to this. Okay, I'm gonna start off by blocking my brows, which I am not going to do on camera because a million people have video. If you do want to see it someday, I could make a video for you, so if you do, put a comment below. Okay, I am back looking more devastatingly handsome than ever. I should mention that I also glued down my sideburns so those don't pop out from behind my wig, and I shaved. I didn't say it, but like, I shaved. All right, I had to get up to cut this open because I am not about to waste. No one taught me how to do this. I've just been making it up. For the past 4 years, I've just been adding on and pretending I know what I'm doing. So this is what I do right now. And if you see something that makes you cringe because you know more about makeup than I do, let me know, help me out. I will take all the tips I can get. I do not mind being told I am wrong. It's part of the learning process. So please tell me if I'm wrong. All right, it's brow time. So to start off my eyebrows, I use this extremely old, deep toned foundation. And I start off, ooh, that's too much. I start off in the middle of my brow, just outside of my iris. So I'm gonna go down from here. For the inside, I start pretty close to where my actual brow starts. I like a thick, like poison ivy from Batman, the animated series. So it is blocky. I know a lot of people like to feather it in, and that's cute. It's pretty. It looks more natural than the brow that I'm about to do. I don't go for natural. I go for comic book villain. Okay. You know that picture that's all over the internet, the lady with the tattooed brows that are like, I am her right now. So next step, I'm going to take my Naked Urban Decay Smoky palette, which I absolutely did not pay for myself. It was given to me. And I'm going to use 2 shades here. Okay, here they are. This is my brow. It's not perfectly even, but you know, I always think of this. I went to see Avril Lavigne and Kesha in San Francisco, and I was in the bathroom fixing my makeup, and some lovely fellow queer came up and complimented me on my Avril Lavigne drag, and I was like, oh, my eyeliner is a mess. Thank you, but I look a mess. And he said, I didn't even notice. There's just so much to look at. So I now use that as like reassurance to myself when I'm feeling overly stressed about getting my makeup perfect. Like, there's so much to look at. And I'm now going to outline them with some BH Cosmetics concealer. I use this in several shades to cover my whole face. Again, if you can tell me why I should use foundation and not just cover my face in concealer, please tell me. I can't get a straight answer. I've asked lots of people. They say, well, if it works for you, it works for you. So hopefully that's the answer because it's what I do. I'm gonna have to work on this setup if I'm gonna keep doing this. Do you want me to keep doing this? Let me know. Is this even something people want to see? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm pretending like I do, but like, of course I don't. It is finally time to start my face. My eyebrows take way too long. I don't know how to do them any faster. I always say I'm going to, and then I never do. How's it gonna be when you... All right, I am going to start my eyeshadow. And for this, because I'm going to be a redhead in lots of orange, I am going to be using this Morphe palette. Yep. Next thing I'm going to do, I really still don't have a great process for this. Basically what I want to do is, I know my cut crease is going to start here and end about here. This is where it's going to start fading into a darker color. So here I'm going to start using an orange and then an orangey brown to a dark brown and even some black in the corner. I am going to continue on by cutting my crease. I'm going to use my white concealer once again. Must make noise. All right, is this making more sense now? Are you starting to see the vision? If I am gonna go out to the clubs, if I possibly could, I'm gonna do this big ol' eye. Too small. pulling it in. Oh, she is rather large today. Oh, is that eyeshadow right there? But I will do my face makeup just underneath the eyes. Just underneath my eyes because I have to do my under eyeshadow. I'll start with the same brush that I used to do my crease. I am going to use on the outside of my eye. I'm starting with black. Drama. Yes, oh yes. Oh no, I got the wrong color. It's okay, these are all just shades of brown. So much to look at. Gorgeous. I want it to be more orange. So I'm going to use my eyeshadow brush again. It is fluffy, it is kind of big. And I'm going to really go over the brown kind of. And then swoosh it in. So that line that I painstakingly made straight, or tried to make straight. Yeah, I'm undoing that right now. But why would I not do too much work? I'm a Virgo. Before I do my eyeliner, I am going to set, I guess, it's already dry. But my friend got this for me. It's delightful. Thank you, Ariana. MAC Pigment. Can you even see this? I don't think you can. It's somewhat shimmery. It's a very soft beigey color that makes this part of my eye look slightly more realistic, human. I'm literally trying to be a cartoon fox. Okay, eyeliner is mostly done. I tried to close in that white under the eye a little bit and wasn't very successful, so I'm just gonna have a massive white under eye today, and that's the way it is. That's just the way it is. Doobie-doo, doobie-doo, doo-doo. Now is the time to color correct. I am, that's right, using the same color that I put on my eyes. Ooh, that's a lot. It looks very orange on the eye, but on my mouth, I don't want it to look pink. So what I've been doing, I take this yellowy, orangey macaroni and cheese color shade, and I put that over the like kind of pinkier bright orange that I have on my eye. And I dab. Isn't it weird that the holidays are almost upon us and like nothing has happened this year? Lots of things have happened, but also I've been sitting in my pajamas for so much of this year. It's been either pajamas, Trader Joe's finest, because yes, I do get dressed up to go to Trader Joe's because I am what a homosexual. And I have great clothes. I love them. I made a lot of them. I have nowhere to wear them. So I wear them to Trader Joe's once a week. This looks nuts until I go over it with my concealer. Once again, my lighter shade. Oh, hello, Pooch. Oh, sorry, my dog is here. Scratch, 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 that's all. Oh, no. And I want to create like a diamond shape. It is very common to set all of this with powder for drag queens because being on stage, sweating. But today I'm going to be filming with the lovely Bridget Azul on her channel. Check her out. I will put her information somewhere. So like when I'm just sitting in my apartment and I'm not planning on dancing, filming a music video or anything today. So I don't put all that much powder on because I'm older. All right, now this is my more real skin tone color and it goes on my cheeks. All right, so I know this is where things get a little bit different. Some people, you should always bring your face makeup down on your neck, of course, but I'm going to have to take off my necklace because I get this really, right now you can see I'm a little pink, but I get full on flush. Okay, it's contouring time. I use this stick foundation concealer. Was this from Daiso or from Walgreens? I don't know. It is almost time for my fox nose, but before I do that, I'm going to do a little of what I said I don't like to do, and just do a little bit of baking powder because I am gonna go and use some powders on my nose, some black powders, and if those get onto my base, I'm gonna have some trouble. So I'm gonna go underneath my nose, trying to avoid my nasolabial folds, because they're deep, because I'm a 32-year-old lady. Oh, I miss Jenna Marbles. It is nose time. I use this eyeliner from Don Quixote in Tokyo. I used to live there, and I bought this when I lived there, so probably shouldn't be using it, but it still works. My nose hasn't fallen off, so I'm gonna do it. So here's my guidelines. And I put these here because my main product is very large and not very precise. It is a smudge stick. This is from Daiso, I know it for sure. Okay. And new, I'm going to go and set this with some black eyeshadow from my Naked palette. Highly recommend college. Don't recommend doing it the way I did, which was study, 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 work, 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 have no fun, then finish. Have some fun in college, responsibly, have some fun. Okay, time for my lips. My natural lip, I've covered it up, but I'm gonna go just above it. So I don't wanna look sad in drag. And just do a line like that. Did my very dry eye products. I am using this satin black LA Colors lipstick. Again, it is from Daiso. It was $1.50. I love cheap things that work. Aw, I used to be a cheap thing that worked. And then it's time for blush. And I have another palette that was given to me so kindly. Wait. Oh my God. First I'm going to bronze. So there's this one bronzer in here, and yeah, it's shimmery. It has a shimmer to it. But it's the only bronzer I have. All right, it's blush time. Which ones do I want to do? I think I'm gonna start light and then build. Lots and lots of the peachy colors, which because of their sheen will blend nicely with the highlight that I'll put on. I am a drag queen. I need something a little bit more intense than this. Like some other things today. This has gotten away from me. So, since I can't do less, I'm going to do more. I am going to take this orange bottoms up and add even more from my nose to my eye. Because I'm what a fox, and what a professor, and what a lady. It's a lot of things. Like, I'm a fox and a professor and a lady. Yeah, I am. And also a streetwalker. Yeah, all those things can be possible if you know, Venmo me. Cute. 1, 2, 3. It's time for lashes. This is the finished makeup look. I'm just going to go put on my wig and my outfit, and that'll be it. Okay, this is the final look. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. I had a great time. If you want to see more like this, let me know in the comments. If you have any other ideas, let me know that too. I've got to go. I'm running late. I'm going to be on Bridget Azul's channel, so please check that out. I'll put it in the description below. Thank you so much. This being my first real YouTube video, I had a lot of fun, and I hope to be making more in the future. So thank you, and we'll see you in the next one. In the meantime, make sure to do your homework.